we party. Submarine. Bwa bwato bwo mu mazi mu nyanja gusa n'ubwato submarine itandukanye n'ubundi bwato bwo mu mazi. Submarine n'ubwato bugenderamo hasi babwari buribira. Submarine ngiyo dutangira iri hasi mazi gusa yerekeye hejuru irimo kuva hasi kandi n'ubwato bwa gisirikare n'ubwato bw'intambara bwibira mazi hasi. Submarine niyo dutangiriraho. Commandos on duty. The Philippine Sea. The People's Republic of China nuclear submarine yanga. Dutangira amazi yo muri Philippine ni igihugu cyegeranye n'Ubushinwa. Nanone iza kabari ingabo z'Ubushinwa zari muri ubu bwato bwa submarine n'ubwato bwa gisirikare. Ubushinwa bavuye n'abakomando barwanira mu mazi. Kumbe ko bagenderagamo hasi hejuru yabo hari ikintu cyaje guhita n'abashinzwe gucunga umutekano w'inyanja. Captain numvishe rwose ari ikintu cy'ikoranabuhanga kiduciye hejuru.
Sama
cyari iki buretse hari cyo numvishe. Nyakubawa niha.
Nabin.
Kapiteni nikiriya niha. Niha. Mutegura intwaro zanyu niha. Nabashinwa. Tunga neza ubwato bwari buje bwegera. Kapiteni yategetse ko babutunga imbunda.
Niha.
Bajya kubawa.
谢谢你回答我。
Bivuge.
就信号。我问你干什么的？
Mwisobanure se.
南。越货船船长。
Duturutse muri Hainani.
运船啊。
Bimeze bita ko baje kwataka gusatira ingabo z'Ubushinwa.
我夫人病了好几天。
Umugore wanjye yararwaye ijoro ryose nuri mu bwato.
能不能请大夫看一下？
Arwaye malaria nyeneye ko niba mufite umuganga ngaho yamfasha.
大家都是同志，我们应该是可以打。
Captain ibyo ni byoroshye reka tubafashe. Tubafashe se? Hasi. Ngo bafite umugabo afite umurwayi mu bwato. Umugabo niwe wavuga gishaga abakomando. Ngaho muze hakuno. Basore imbunda muzirambike.
你们不能下船舱。
Wamagara umuganga none ave hasi. Kumba bavugaga ngo bafite umurwayi. Ariko bari bazanye Captain we bahaye wa mbere. Batwitse abagabo mu mazi. Lionsgate television presentation. Attack on the Queen. Ukwataka ubwato bwiswe umwamikazi. Attack on the Queen. Filime niko yiswe. Kwataka umwamikazi. Iwewe. Fairfax, Virginia. Tutangira muri Amerika ahantu yitwa Fairfax. Uko babaga bagateye ubwato bw'inyanja bw'abasirikare b'Abashinwa. Rob Assets niwe musore tureye ku kagare n'umukinnyi w'imena Joe Lando. Abo bose n'abakinnyi. Umuntu tuvuye mu Bushinwa nako mu mazi ya Philippine. Tugaruka hakuno mu bwato nako mu Banyamerika babiri bari mu byishimo. Mary Matiko akarimo cyane. Baba arimo gutwara akagare. Christopher Lafori umwe mu bakinnyi b'imena. Baratwara utugare ni Sherina Sheriwe. Sherina Sheriwe rwose baratwaye kunyonga bafasha hasi hejuru. Mudamu atangiye gusiga umugabo. Kabara agasuzuguro k'Iburundi akagaka aramutanciyeho. Kigabo cyatangiye guhagurukira igare gisiga umudamu yarakimereye nabi. Gishimo ni bwose urukundo zirahari. Urukundo barazigendana. Mbega mwana nyagasa nubikoze ute? Rata afite uburyo yasimbukije mpaka umudamu arumirwa kirakomeza kiramusiga. Aho berekeye bari bavuye mu cyaro bagiye mu kindi muri nta cyaro kiruta ikindi ahubwo abakire bo mu byaro nibo barutana uwahateye neza cyane. Afite umutungo rwose murabibona ubutunzi.
Give this one a shot. I'll wrap this one myself.
Kana mutoya bazifungure kanurebe. Nako nakuzaniye.
What is it, Uncle Vince?
This is a high-frequency, long-range radio.
Kana mutoya in long-range radio.
The rest of the ship's going to be in a complete communication blackout. That means no emails, no faxes, no...
Nukuvuga ngo iki cyuma ntabwo ushobora kuba wakohereza email, ntabwo ushobora kohereza fax, ahubwo turavugana direct. Nimba ngiye mu kazi ndi mu bwato ndaza guhamagara. Kuba uyu mugabo yari anko akakana byishimo ni bwose. Yaguze ikiradio ngo bashobora kuba bavuganiraho. Gisho ashobora kwifatira radio akazisanzwe amasheni agafata radio 11 bakumvikana radio 11. Yarangiza kandi uyakaza kumuhamagara hariho n'igitelefoni bakavugana. Kumbe abandi bari baturutse mbandazi baje ku magare.
You miss this great party? No way.
Kana gatangaza.
I didn't know Thomas was coming.
Ntabwo nari mbizi ko Thomas ari buze. Ngo be nice. Gerageza ube mwiza kuri we sibyo arongera musubiriramo ngo be nice. Kumbe abo bari abavandimwe babiri gusa batumvikana Thomas ndetse n'uyu mugenzi we. yaramanje aramureba bivinda imwe birapingana shaka.
Cooper? Brittany, my sister-in-law Kelly.
Nice to meet you.
Bamwita Benny, hanyuma Benny uyu ni mushiki wanjye Kari. Mushiki we ngo niwe yaraje kureba ni famille y'abantu batatu. Iki kije ku kagare na sheri wacu ndetse ni mushiki wacu na mukuru wacu ari hakuno.
Special agent in charge of New York for nothing.
Ntabwo bigeze bagira umupolisi uyoboye abandi bapolisi muri New York kuko ntacyo nzi.
She could use a little R&R.
Well, if chocolate cake can touch football or your idea of R&R, you have come to the right place.
Muje ahantu hajyaho muziye mu gihe cyanya cyo dukina agapira abavandimwe barareba nabarapiga na shawo.
No, I won't. The way football is played around here, there are no rules.
Hani abakina agapira nta mabwiriza.
Beautiful home.
Mbega imuhira heza yewe data we niyo mpamvu nanjye nzishimira gushingirwa mu cyaro.
Who gets to live here?
I hate to be a bog about. I actually did bring a proper party dress.
Follow me.
Nani nizana imyambaro reka nyene mpindura imyambaro none uyu munsi mukuru sibyo ya fete.
Hey,
Buddy,
Uncle Thomas.
Bita Uncle Tom.
what do you say?
Mwana muto urabizi?
Yes, on the
Uri
pod.
uje hano byana barabizanira za kado n'ibyana bya mukuru wabo wapfuye. Ko yo kureba mukuru we hakurya.
Hey, Vince?
Bita Vince. Uyu mwe yitwa Vincent undi yitwa Tom.
Want a beer?
Ataka hambirwa. Abintu byo guhoberana. Babazi igihe bafitanye amasinde ntago barayacoca. Urumva ko akomeye no kuba yarajemo amasarabwayi. Hari amasinde akomeye hano. Uko bakicaye nako ko bagasanyemo ko kunywa dore wa musheri wa Tom yaje hakuno asanga hari ifoto y'umuntu wa gatatu watarimo kubona. Uwo ni umuvandimwe wabo wapfuye.
The infamous Kellogg brothers.
Bamwita Jack. N'utabarimo.
My late husband. It was taken right after Joshua was born.
Thomas told me there was an accident.
Thomas yaramwe ngo habaye accident.
Jack was a great guy.
Jack yari umugabo mwiza ko uyu mudamu ntabwo ari mushiki wabo ahubwo yari umugore wa mukuru wa murumuna wabo wapfuye. Jack was a great guy yari umugabo mwiza. Buri munsi ndamutekereza. Asigaye yibanira n'abavandimwe b'umupfu ariwe Vince na Tom.
Yeah. Josh's favorite. He's seen this one 7 times. He's already pre-ordered the DVD.
Kariya kana kanje kajoshi gakunda ikigabo gikina filime karabireba inshuro zose muri munsi ndo posteri kaba karazizanye. Kajya no kwa yanga akazi kokora. Cyane cyazanye za posteri mu rugo.
Now that's cool.
Nagatangaza. Bafite akana kitwa kajoshi niko gakunda biriya posteri.
Change of pace. I make the New York to Southampton run every month, so.
Oh, well, a lot more to worry about on this crossing.
Yes, but a lot fewer people.
Look, I just don't think it's a good idea to get into bed with China.
Baba je ntabwo numva ko ari igitekerezo cyiza kuba perezida agiye kugenda na perezida w'Ubushinwa. Perezida wa Amerika ngo n'Ubushinwa bagomba gutemberana.
Woman.
No. And I worry about her pushing for policies that'll put the country at risk.
So you want to remain at a stalemate?
Baba je ndabona ibihugu bibiri turimo kubishyira mu byago. Kuba bagiye gutemberana n'abayobozi b'ibihugu bibiri kandi bagatembera mu baciye mu mazi.
That means that our missiles and China's will be sitting in their silos unarmed, without nuclear warheads.
The theory being...
Ntabwo dukeka ko turi bugende mu mazi duherekeje perezida wa Amerika ndetse n'uwa China baca mu mazi hanyuma kandi ingabo z'Ubushinwa zo nta ntwaro zifite.
Vince, what about Taiwan?
Vince ibuka neza ko mugiye guca amazi atari Ubushinwa mugiye no guca amazi ya Taiwan. Taiwan urabizi ifitanye ikibazo n'Ubushinwa.
President intends on doing on this cruise is getting to know President Wu and kicking around some ideas. That's it.
Uva wari umupolisi nta kintu ugomba gukurikirana ubwato mutaragura uko ucunge ko nta umutekano mucyo awuteje.
An expert in geopolitics.
Ibintu bireke ndabandi kumwe na perezida umwe n'ushinzwe kurinda perezida undi ni umupolisi muri uyu mujyi. Ushinzwe kurinda perezida ni nguyu Vince wambaye igipira cy'umweru muri nawe ni umupolisi ukomeye muri New York ni uyoboye ikipe ya ATF Anti-Terror Force ikipe ishinzwe kurwanya ibyihebe.
Come on.
Mwana mutoya tujye mu gapira tugende. Uyu mukaritasi ni dukina ndamutega sha. Avuno murundi to. No murundi. Ndaba bagiye mu gapira ninzavuba bari baje mu kansiga kurawoka pa basi. Namikinera uyu mupira ni iryankurya. Umwana uragenda ukamuyora ugakubita hasi. Abavandimwe babiri umwe aragabane. Jarade. Imukubita hasi. So umupira mu mabwiriza biba hinga nanjye ndaje. Akotomakira Vince yaraje yora ruguru nabwo byanyabyo. Sagapira uretse sha baragongana uretse sha barapingana jawo nibivandimwe kandi.
Is this competitive?
Bega agapira kagiye kuryoha mbashari wa Tom. Arana kumbe mushiki wabo arabaza. Nakwamura mu kazi wabo. Barade umupira bawure ku ariko biranga birayora nabirwa gabo. Hasi hejuru umukuru n'umutayo. We musige mwokapfamwe musige mwokitwa n'uburoro. Musige n'abadamu bajya gutabara ibigori. Hago warukaritasi. Hakosha. Kawe uburiya ungongeye iki? So baje kungonga urangonze. Urangonze. Bashakaga gusekurana nta n'impamvu kandi. Wabaza umwicyashe washakira undi warangonze. Arangonze. arangonze kwereka ibyacu bidatinze ni rwa rugo rw'umupfu Jack ariko yakamanutse hasi.
That's Vince. He earned this first, and then he handed it to me.
Uyu nguyu ni Vince yarabanje amakadara arangije kukamanga yereza Jack none Jack ntabwo tukiri kumwe bakiri kumwe ari abanyeshuri abana batoya.
Come Eagle Scout.
Babaga bari mu rugo bose. Ubico dusigaranye n'abana bene tujya turebaho tukibuka wari umuvandimwe.
About 6 years ago, I took up rock climbing. Just a way to burn off tension, stay in shape.
Imyaka 6 yahise naje gufata urugendo.
Back, you got interested in it too.
Hanyuma twari kumwe.
We would go out together. It was.
Twacaga muri byinshi turi kumwe. Umwe araganira umukunzi we.
Only he wasn't as well trained as I was. I don't know it. I didn't do a real good job bringing him up to speed.
Ntabwo nakaza kuko ari gakwiye ngo nihute mu kazi.
You can't tell us anything. You know the funny thing about falling is?
Igitangaje kirimo.
It happened so fast.
Ibyabaye vuba vuba nandi kumwe mu modoka.
Rope catches you short. It's like nothing ever happened.
Haba accident gusa nanone bwakiye bisa naho nta cyabaye. Accident ni wari utwaye hanyuma tuma muvandimwe wapfa. Cyavinze buri uko kimubonye kirababara ko yari watumye apfa.
It was over quick.
Byabaye vuba vuba. Nubwo nabishakaga. Accident. Abazungukazi hari ukuntu akureba niba mushaka kujya ngo uzitsindira umuzungukazi numubona uzajye wiriza gusa. Ahita kugira imbabazi aka.
In case you're wondering why he hates me so much.
Nyuma visi ambabara yambonye ababara cyane.
Josh, I'll be back in an hour. In the meantime, Uncle Vince is the boss.
Josh, ndagaruka mwisaha hanyuma nari nagaruka Uncle Vince ni uri ari boss hano. Mwana mutoyi urabeho kikuru cye nagisezera ngaba yawe na sheri we baragiye.
How long is it to England?
Nakagare bagahaye rifuti.
You coming right back?
Ako uncle kucyo urebana nabi nuriya mu uncle wundi muba mupfiki. Yakinsuzugura shango kindu shakime warwana. And shaki muri Washington DC, Washington District of Columbia. Tukaruka muri Washington wa mudamu barakwereka arimo kugera cyane president Amerika agomba kujyamo na president w'Ubushinwa bakagenda banaganira. Cyato kiraparitse ahantu hanini cyane. Bamwe mu bapagasi bo mu bwato hari abahageraga. Bakoze bo mu bwato. Yewe data we muze tumusezere anye mu rugendo. N'abantu bari baje gusezera perezida wabo agiye kujya mu rugendo kumbe perezida nabwo agiye kugenda wenyine. Ahubwo ari na wa mustari buriya ko mustari ni ibintu bikomeye. Umustari nawe agira amahirwe yo kujya ahantu hakomakomeye. Cyo ni igistari gikina amafilime mwibuke neza poster umwana yari afite iwabo mu rugo. Mustari yari hakuno. Hanyuma aragenda asinyira abantu ku mapuro nyewe data dusinyireho na sheri wawe ari kumwe n'igikobwa.
On an historic journey, Thad, the summit at sea. How are you feeling at this moment?
Karagatangazira abaturage kuntu bakwishimiye perezida naragera ariko banezerewe bakubonye.
Will be the latest Burroughs girl.
Are
the rumors true? You'd like to share?
No secrets.
Are you excited about the crossing?
Yes. I'm just so grateful that Thad invited me to join him.
You and Thad are truly representative of this summit, aren't you? Together, America and China.
Taiwan.
Umupolisi n'umugati bari mu bwato bagiye gusuzuma perezida agiye guca harimo n'umukobwa wakoraga mu bwato sheri we wuriya musore Tom yakoraga mu bwato dore kapiteni w'ubwato baje kwakira umukuru w'igihugu Mandos bamwe bamurinda dore gikuru cya Tom cya Vince kirimo warareba uziko abantu bareba ukabona ko abantu bareba
Laura's got a better reception.
Musore muto mukomeze muconge neza mpaka tugeze kuri reception madame perezida kumbe mu bwato arabarimo kwinjira twababonye bazira mu kimodoka nabashinzwe isuku yo mu bwato umumwete ngo yo hakuno bawuzanye n'izambwa zitwa za Samson iyo mbwa niko yitwa ugasanga imbwa yiswe nde Dominico mbwa z'abazungu zigira amazina y'abantu aha
So why you're an hour and a half late?
Oh, we weren't late. The van was.
The van was late.
Yeah, we waited over an hour for it.
ubwato nako imodoka ko mwayitindije kwinjira mu bwato undi twacererewe nizere ko nta kibazo kirimo ariko abandi bati cyane perezida w'Ubushinwa nawe yarahagiraga twerekejwe n'abasore b'Abashinwa bita president dore Abashinwa uzi ko dore perezida w'Ubushinwa kumbe mu gihe n'ivarisi ye baba bayifite aho hafi.
President, Mr. President, welcome. I'm Captain Yang, Master of the Queen.
Nyakubahwa perezida, nyakubahwa perezida kazi murakazi. Ubwato nigiye captain w'ubwato buteye nk'inyubako ni nk'ihoteli neza rero kuno bungano. Muri aho ngo mufite ubwato ugendera muri cya kindi bya bindi bengeramo muvure kanya no bwato. Ngenza abantu bagendera mu mivure.
Like Eloise.
Madam President. Kabarinzi be. Hey.
The banquet will be here. Our chefs are preparing a fabulous feast.
Oh, darling.
Nyakubahwa bateguriye hano niho hari icyicaro cyanyu gikomeye cyane cyaho muri bufatire ibishoboka. Imbwa ziri hakuno zirimo zirasuzuma ubwato batari ba.
Here.
Gari ikintu yabonye baziramuka mufasha gutya wimbwa hari ikintu ibonye munsi y'imodoka. Siya mutugari yacunze neza kumbe muri mutugari haziyemo urungu rw'usasu babandi bashinzwe gukoropa imodoka baziyemo twabonye bayikuramo n'ibikapu iriya kerike shows yakuramo kerike shows kumbe bamwe mabi hafa yarahari ufite time bomb timer bafite remote imodoka yise yati gisasu kirimo gitangira kwibara yamenye ko nakundi kiraturi kirana atakuye imodoka ATF Toma ijamo patroli Kirwa kurwanya ibyiye bikimodoka yakajye kwe muri bwa bwato ni bunini sha wajya on etage Akamodoka karakirukanse gisasu kirimo cyose mu nzira Hey bayobozi bikanzemo bayobozi bikanzemo Mike nimugoroba nta kindi cyabaye dore ya modoka yagiye n'inzima ikimanyu bakuyeyo.
You guys who came in on the van.
Yeah, I heard.
The whole point of the bomb was to scare me off, and I'm not going to be.
Urugendo babanje kurusubika mukuru.
Yes, ma'am. This is Michael Galloway, Mr. President.
Ni Michael Gabriel, Madam President.
If you need anything from the White House on this, Mike, anything at all.
Nimugira icyo mukenera kuva mu nyubako y'umuyobozi w'igihugu mumbwire.
Which one's Thomas?
Thomas ni uwuhe? Thomas we. Thomas avayo ATF anti-terror force shinzwe kurwanya ibyihebe.
Agent Kellogg?
Sore mutubambye akazi wakoze.
I wanted to thank you personally for your bravery today.
Nishimiye kuba nakushimira ku munsi kuri uyu munsi ku giti cyanjye.
When I do get back from England,
nimba mkongereza.
I'd like you to join me for lunch at the White House.
When tuzaze dusangire muri White House ni nyubako ya Perezida wa Amerika.
Thought they could derail this trip.
Nagatangaza.
Proving them wrong.
Urugendo zatangire.
Okay, let's get the show on the road.
Basore mureke dutangire. Nyakubahwa batabawe n'abasore babiri. Harimo uje umutekano wari we wuyu. Iki gisenzi ko Perezida atangiye kugishima wanga. Mukuru wacu yatangiye kugira jalousie. Nawe aririnze cyane umukuru w'igihugu. Bamwe bagiye gutwara ubwato harimo Sheri we n'ugiye gutwara ubwato. Sheri usigara amahoro twe tugiye mu Bwongereza. Kandi bagomba guca mu mazi.
You be careful.
Wirinde aho ugiye kujya.
It'll be hard not to do. I don't have a care in the world knowing Special Agent Thomas Kellogg's on duty saving democracy.
Icyo ari gukora uyu munsi nawe uyu munsi twari kumva ngo Thomas yapfuye uyu munsi arimo gutabara umukuru w'igihugu. Wakoze akazi keza.
Hey.
Yewe.
Be careful.
Wirinde kandi.
Always?
Ibyo urabizi ko ari ibisanzwe. Icyo ejo bundi unegase wabonye naze kwirinda. Ngo be careful. No kwitwararika. Ubwato bwagomba guhaguruka. Ubwato buri hano gusa Perezida wa Amerika yagiye guca hose bagomba kuba basuzumye kari imihanda.
Online.
Thank you.
Murakoze.
Captain Krem, Admiral Lewis at Op Center Bravo.
Yes, Admiral.
Admiral urida mu bwa USS James K. Polk nuclear powered submarine. Ubwato bwo mu mazi bw'intambara bw'abanyamerika nabwo bwabundi bugendera hasi mu mazi. Babanje kubuhamagara perezida agiye guca muri iyo nzira murimo. Umutekano we mumenye neza ba marini bibarabareba uko bibareba bira tureba. Baramuhamagaye umuyobozi Admiral kuri ubwato bwa submarine buri mu mazi hasi. Perezida agiye guca mu mazi agiye kugenda mu cyato kinini. Bira tureba. Ezekiel yarahamagarwaga dore igihushi kuntu kingana. Dore kubejyana ngo n'uruhara rw'umuryango. Kumbe mu mazi uko bagombaga gucamo. Abandi bakomanda bibereye ku itabi ba submarine ntabwo bakunda guhura n'intambara cyane kuko kubona ku abanzi baca mu mazi babari bake.
Caviar. I hate champagne. Caviar makes me gag.
Utsinda abandi araza kurira undi champagne uko bakanezerewe mu mazi. Mwibuke neza iyi submarine abanyamerika barimo. Kumbe dore wa musore uba ku rwakana gakunda filime ze.
Yeah, have you talked to him?
Uncle, mwigeze muvuga nawe mukinnyi wa filime se Van Damme?
And how about President Wu? What's he like?
It's hard to tell.
Perezida wa Wu ameze ubushinwa witwa Wu sameza. Birakomeye kumuvuga.
Captain told me that there might be some atmospheric disturbance over the next couple of days.
Captain yambwiye ngo azabituma nawe ridakora minsi kurikira.
We might have some difficulty reaching each other.
Nimugira ikibazo nshobora kutongera kubahamagara ariko bahamagara n'indamuka ngeze mu Bushinwa bari mu bwato batangiye kugenda kumba arimo arahamagara famille uko yakababwiye ntabwo ashaka kujya mu bamurushye icyo maragifite agenda avugana nabo. Barakwereka wa musore wa ATF anti-terror force yaje gusuzuma ya modoka yari yaturitse yari yanaze mazi areba igisasu cyaturitse ni bwoko ki.
I think it's one of ours.
I think it's one of ours. Ndakeka iki gisasu ni bimwe mu bisasu bikorwa na Amerika.
The partial of one of the buttons.
Murebe bamwe mu bashinzwe gukoropa hari uwo bavumbuye yapfuye yishwe. Ahubwo bagiye muri buriya bwato bashinzwe gukoropa ntabwo ari abakoramo. Bagomba kuba ari abanzi. Kumbe ko kabaje muri ubu bwato n'abandi. Perezida wa Amerika umudamu na perezida w'Ubushinwa. Bari ku mikino. Perezida uzi ko baseka rwose ukabyumva baseka bahaga. Nawe useka bishaka. Ukajya ngo yagukunze cyane byahe.
Looks like Wu doesn't trust his buddies back in Beijing with the nuclear codes. Wonder why.
Perezida Wu umenya atajya yizera abagenzi bakorana mu gihugu kugira ngo agenda n'amadosiye kuriya amabugi nukuvuga ngo za code zifungura bya nuclear ibisasu bya kirimbuzi aceka ko ari undi wabikoresha kandi niyo mpamvu buriya bagenda na kuriya briefcase varis. FBI headquarters New York tugaruka muri New York ku biro bikuru bya FBI. Bashatse kumenya ni bande bashobora kuba bakoresha cya gisasu bajya kugitega kuri ya modoka gukirimbuke. Thomas ni uyoboye iperereza. Banza gukurira ibikumwe hano barashaka nyiri ifoto ni yandi.
Yeah, it's cocky.
Thomas akuruye neza. Foto nayo batangira kwegereza hafi.
Gonna poison President Wu's food.
Ntabwo ndi muroge Perezida Wu.
I mean no offense.
He's only following orders.
Sasa hano hari umushinwa nawe arashaka kurya ku biryo bagiye guha perezida wabo.
Before we serve it, I am China's.
Ntabwo nabagaburira ibiryo bitarashya.
On this voyage, I must sample every dish.
I must sample every dish. It's the protocol. Ngomba kurya ku biryo byose niko protocol igenda. Ibiryo bya perezida hari umupagasi ushinzwe kugenda biryaho ngo bataza kumuroga. Iyo apfuye bakamenya ko biroze. Umushinwa ari hano yakameje n'uruhara dore igihusho ukatwa. Uyafite kinini cyane. Igihusho cyara mu mazi umutwe. Arimo arasaba kurya kuri buri biryo batekeye perezida wabo abanyamerika banze. Ntabwo twakugaburira umuceri perezida ari buryo kahambirwa. Nate ngomba kurya kuri buri biryo. Ukina n'abantu. Hari benshi bashaka amajobu nkayo ni ibiryo rwose ni burwayi namibe bizikuramo. Hello?
Just north of Jersey City. You got that? Good. Because we're on our way.
Kumva ko perezida wa Amerika n'Ubushinwa bari batangiye gutembera. Ngabo bari no muri siporo. Hari wari umaze kuvumbura murumuna w'uyu nguyu murumuna wa Vince Thomas yaramaze kuvumbura ko ubu bwato bwacemo abantu bataka bayibazamo ndetse babonye n'ifoto y'umwe mbateze ibisasu abateze ibisasu mwibuke ni wa mugabo kanze telecommand ari muri ubu bwato. Tize mukuru w'igihugu ntabwo muhatize zo guterura ibyuma. Tize barasa n'abari mu ikorasi dore tize z'abayobozi yiwe barimo kuririmba ikorasi. Tize tekereza ibyo bintu koko dore mama shenge barigisha barimo kudirira. Tize siporo ziragwira ndakubwiye iyi wayimera umuntu sinayifata kandi bwambaye imyambaro ya siporo yuva ku bantu. Tize imyitozo. na wa mustari nguriya hakurya ni wa wundi ukina amafilimi.
Excellent. If this commander-in-chief gig doesn't pan out, you can come work with us.
Oh, President becoming an actor now, that's something
different.
Tai Chi is a great introduction to the martial arts.
Tai Chi
itself. Monica?
Do any of you have martial arts experience?
I do.
Kara muhamagaye kitwa Monica na kanya Taiwan kazi gasa n'abashinwa kombe Vince araga jaga kumbe kwa mkobwa Vince ni hatari kombe ni hatari ji kombe janga n'umunya Taiwan kazi n'umunyazi bayobozi bombi barareba nguca kiyese mukora bogis parking yabaye mbi cyane yaraparitse ariko simwaye parking se mukora arakoma mashi n'abandi barayakoma Asante, nizere ko imitsi nta kibaye. Muri ari imitsi abantu bagira impungenge ishobora kuvunikamo kabiri ntihagire n'ugango widoda. Yari ahantu yakicariza irakatsindwa.
It's been off our radar for over 3 days.
So what's our best guess?
Biraza kudufata nk'iminsi 3 Admiral. None murahitamo iki? Dukomeze tugende cyangwa imbere turabona hasa naho hari ikibazo kiri ariko ntago turamenya ninde. Submarine yagomba kurindira perezida wa Amerika gucunga neza imbere yabo hari ikindi cyato cyaturukagayo. Baramagana n'abari mu bwato butwaye perezida wa Amerika n'Ubushinwa dore ubwato Mr. Mwarangize mukagenda muri bya bindi byitwa imivure.
Talk again. They're instituting communication blackout.
Everything go as planned?
So far.
Tuma nawe rigomba kubanza kuvaho.
Where are you?
Muri he?
The transit of the Arctic.
Rijang, bwato bwa Rijang wa mukobwa witwa Monica wajyanye na perezida wa Amerika wabatoza gatizi. Arimo aramagana na bya bigabo byishe abashinwa nabyo bafite ubundi bwato bwo mazi witwa submarine mumwe bw'abasirikare.
10 meters.
Metero nk'icumi gusa hejuru yacu kuba tuzamutse akatubona.
Soon we'll have the queen.
Soon we'll have the queen. Vuba turaza kugira ubu bwato ndimo bwitwa queen. Uziko bwa bwato burimo perezida w'Ubushinwa n'Amerika bagiye kushimuta we. Wumvije igikobwa cya Monica ngo soon we'll have the queen. Vuba turaza kugira ubu bwato bwa queen. Tugakora kuri Thomas.
Yeah. You awake? Of course.
FBI na ATF bamaze gufata igikumwe cya wa mugabo.
Don't worry.
Wa mugabo bacete babonye ifoto ye. Bamaze kugera iwe mu rugo. Ntago bazi ko uwo mugabo babonye nawe ari muri bwa bwato butwaye perezida wa Amerika na perezida w'Ubushinwa. Mbonye akamodoka kajya Yehova ndakabona agiye guparika Yehova mucunge ko ari we Yehova.
It's him. Get ready to move in.
Niwe Yehova mwitegure kwinjira Yehova. Atubwira impamvu yari yateze kiriya gisasu Yehova. Ntago baramenya ko ateze gisasu yagiye kera mu bwato bw'abaperezida bombi Yehova. Baje gufata unduje kumusura Yehova. Bavayo Yehova. Kama nguyu wako no mu nyubako. Niyo bashaka babwira amakuru yose ajyanye na cyo gisasu bati hey kazubara kazengurutse bari bindiye nk'abakora muri roko rwase ko bari ku mashanyarazi kina n'abakomando wowe haba harimo n'abakarani kubitana gutya na Ezekiel ukajya no umunyonzi gusa kumbe baza mu kazi kose gashoboka ariko baje gushaka kubw'umutekano w'abakuru uko bw'umutekano w'abatuye igihugu yari hano ariko se uriya ninde ntago n'inyuma bariyo okay Kawa ya chabu jikari.
He's headed east for the tracks. Cut him off.
Tinyuma we mugira muzenguruka rero. Atinyuma sha. Kigabo cyane bonye gicawuke kiriya wokati wa munyabyaha buriya yirukankana n'ikimwirukankanye. Umunyabyaha, uziko umunyabyaha sobara kubara kai. Ngabo abo bamwirukanyira wi umujinga sana we bastade. Jaza hagono. Senyenje cyayiciye barago. Inciye ndariko ntacyo. Komanda nabaraza senyenje. Kubwo umutekano w'abayobozi nafuye senyenje amufasha abi wokatwa. Hari hano yamushimuta senyenje yagushimuta sha uruhu rugasigara. Ukabona inuzira kutse yikubise hasi. Ruriya ruhu rwa ruterura intuza rwavuyeho. Ruterura ivi. Ngasiri gahanuka. yirukanka nkigabo oya byayirukanka nani kimwiruka ndapfuye simbizi nako ariko ndabona abagabo baje ndigomya kubitabe nyine imodoka namwe ndabibye mwuka pamwe betaberayo kape ibya biragenda byiyongera ikigo ry'igishata no kwima imodoka ku ngufu imodoka urayijyana wangu komando there komando ramukurikiye katuro reba ndebe amafaranga yanyu yatangiye mwatangiye kunguka ifilime kuva yatangira we ntabwo mubona inyungu zanyu we dore ngizi we muri mu nyungu nibazana niba ubu mtangiye kunguka mujye mukomeza muyashore hano niyo nama nabagira dore inyungu zanyu we uza kureba filime ngiyi cyane aho barwana kugera imbere kagabukara kagabaho kugira ngo bagafatire mu mugabo wiyahuraho kugira ngo bamufate reba filime uruganda rwa Sekurapu uruganda rwa bya byuma bayongesha ko kugira ngo umugabo afatwe reba umugabo yemeye kwiyahura maze asana nawe Thomas sinzi ko Thomas ava kuri imodoka ari muzima kigabo ko kimuzanye nabi cyane reba ndebe burundu rwari umuyoyesha aho nari mfura daka mbere imodoka ari yabaye kagabo kayoboye habi yavuyeho yemeye gukubita umuhumetso hasi dore akagabo ukuntu kiyahuye kugira ngo gafatwe ari kazima cyo mutabona niki karacyavayo we abagabo bagira roho do kagabo karakomesha bahise rero gumahuri waruzingo gumahuri karaza kuvuga bene wabo
uplink to satellite. We will rendezvous with Liu Jiang here.
Liu Jiang byanze bikunze turaza kwisanga hano kumbe cya gikobwa cyitwa Monica cyazanye na wa mustari.
Savimbi on our way by dawn. With China's nuclear arsenal under our command.
So where do we board?
On deck 4 near the...
Ni kitari cyakuru bugendo byose baza gutungana. Ninde? Ni jewe. Gikobwa kirano wari wagikomangiye.
Hi, Dad.
You want to go for a swim?
Shako tujye koga. Oya.
Give me a few minutes to change.
Minota mike maze mindura imyambaro.
You know,
Rabizi.
Really glad you could come on this trip.
Nanejejwe nuko waje tukajyana mu bwato kumva urugo rukina amafilime ntabwo ruziko ruri kumwe n'ikihe bikaze. Sheri nakuya kabisa nakuye. Kavuga indi mishaho kazi n'igiswahili.
Where were we?
Kwari he?
You might think you're some kind of an international terrorist. But you almost blew me up in that van, you son of a bitch. I don't want to know who you're working with.
Iriya modoka wayiteze igisatsi uri kumwe nande. Twari muri banga ngibyo shaka kumenya.
I'm gonna let him drag some sleazeball lawyer in here he can hide behind.
Curtis.
He asked for his lawyer. We can't ask him any more questions.
Uyu mugabo yasabye avoka we nabindi bibazo dushobora kumaza birenze.
Search his house.
Tubanze tujye gusaka iwe mu rugo. Liu Jiang. Liu Jiang bwa bwato bwa Liu Jiang kumbe burimo yewe dat yewe perezida w'Amerika n'Ubushinwa ba yewe
China's nuclear arsenal, making Taiwan one of the two most powerful nations on earth.
Ubwato burimo perezida w'Abashinwa tujye kubushimuta tumwambure nuclear arsenal afite ya briefcase irimo za code z'ibisasu bya kirimbuzi.
But we are not terrorists.
Ntabwo turi byiye mubimenye.
And our mission is simple and clear.
Ibyo dukwanira na biroroshye kandi birumvikana.
Global zero alert is a dangerous lie.
Global zero alert.
Way to protect ourselves from China's nuclear threat.
Abashinwa bahora badukangisha ibisasu byabo uyu munsi turaza kuba twirinze kuva mu Bashinwa.
And that is exactly what we're going to do.
Ibyo nibyo tugiye gukora. Taiwan Ubushinwa nabwo zongera kujya hejuru. Taiwan hanimba ibintu Ubushinwa gusa bahora bafitanye ikibazo. Queen Elizabeth II ubwato bw'umwami kazi Elizabeth nibwo bugiye gushimutwa. Kujya kubushimuta abagabo ngabo bafite imbunda ndetse ubwato babugezemo kare. Abanyamerika aho bari baracyapereza ryabo ko rikomeje ngo barashaka kumenya kiriya kigabo ubwato cyabutezemo iki nako cyagisasu cyategaga mu modoka kiriye kumbe dora bari mu bwato babwinjiye kare. Nta nubwo ari ibyo gusa ubwato dore ibyo imisego babuzaniye do dore igisego cy'igisasu ngicyo kirabyibushye shawo wajya ngo ni igicuba cy'amata y'inka. Simbabeshye. Monika ni uyoboye ibyihebe. Akajya no kugaburira tiza abakuru b'ibihugu ntago bazi ko ari mubi cyane. Babanje babo wacyakiga barimo kwasaka. Forensic abashinzwe gutegurira ibisasu barahari. Anti-terror force agent.
Jinx must keep everything.
Yeah, including every wacko political magazine.
Oh man.
Umugabo afite ibinyamakuru byinshi cyane bijyanye na politiki, afite ibintu byinshi ariko hano ndabona ikindi kintu ntazi. Yakuruyeyo.
This thing is mint.
Anagatangaza.
Fortune. No. Well, a couple hundred at least.
No.
Yeah. Jinx.
With Monica Chain.
Oh man.
Umukobwa yitwa Monica Chain. Ndetse ari kumwe na wa musore w'umusitari yinjiye kare mu bwato. Babonye ifoto ya wa mukobwa ari mu rugo rwa cyakire polisi yari yafashe muri New York. Kombe dore abashe umutekano wo bakuru.
You wearing a seasick patch?
Yeah, for all the good it's doing me.
I know. I look fabulous.
Ndabizi ndasa neza. Nyakubawa. Ambara. Wako narusha kurya ku biryo by'abakuru. Menya bataramwemererana n'ubu. Afite ibiko batangiye kumwemerera. Hagiye apareza kuri buri niyo yo matama mubona afite reka. Baba bakuru barya neza shaho.
No.
Nta mukuru wicwa na amibe, nta mukuru wicwa na bwacya.
I haven't thought that myself.
Ko baraba kuru bari bakurya icyakura cyaryoshye ariko baravuga ibiryo by'abashinwa birakapfa gusa. Biraryoshye. Narakoze ngize ngo ugiye kubituka ngo birakapfa nyine. Bakuru baseka batabishaka no guhondagura. Kumbe bakira aho ngaho dore wa mukobwa umugore wa Thomas. Thomas ari mu rugo.
Thank you.
Murakoze cyane namamvu yo guhaguruka. Yaje kureba muramu we Vince.
Are you all right?
Well, just a little seasick.
Are you taking anything for it?
I'm wearing a patch.
Follow me. The first thing you need is some fresh air.
Thanks.
We're not tugende hanze dufata ka fresh air. Dallas Airport. Inga kindege cha Dallas. Niyo musore yaje gufatira iwe. Yihuse vuba. Baratangura nka president wa Amerika ubwo bace mu bwato nago batanga indege. Arebe ko ibyo bari bavumbuye ari byo. Muri ubu bwato harimo igikobwa kumbe icyo gikobwa ko kirimo nicyo kihebe gikuru. Yatangiye kuganira na murambo.
To midnight.
Then I recommended you rest for an hour or so. Those pills are going to make you drowsy.
It's fine with me because I sure as hell don't feel like eating. What can I tell you? I'm a land lover.
Nakubwira iki?
The rest of the team is glad to be on a cruise, but me.
Nejejwe nuko nanjye ndi muri cruise nk'abandi. Kanezejwe nuko twahuriyemo.
Those.
Yeah? What's your idea of hell?
Urumva icyo watekereza iki fail?
The safe, sedate life of a suburban housewife.
Nyuma ndatekereza ukuntu ngenda mukuru umuna wawe tuzagenda rwose nk'aba housewife umugore wo mu rugo.
No domestic bliss for you either, huh?
No. I tell myself it's the job. This is an insane life. You can't ask someone else to take it on. That's what I tell myself.
Yeah.
Nawe aribaza byinshi.
I'd better get back.
Ndakeka naza kugaruka. Yewe.
Yes.
Yego.
Thanks for the pills.
Urakoze kumpa ibinini. Thanks for the pills. Yaramwaye tunini niba rutwiki menya rutwaye gusinzira.
How did this woman get clearance?
I don't know, Admiral, but the QE2 should be...
Mubwire buryo umukobwa yabonye clearance yo kuba yakwinjira mu bwato. Unatsimbizi.
Ma'am.
Gusa tugomba kubyigaho.
Please.
Mwicarire wa mukobwa yaje hakuno gufata icyakura.
Disneyland and...
Umukobwa barimo kubaza ngo ukuntu cyabonye clearance yo kwinjira mu bwato. Kiri kumwe n'abakuru hano.
And what did you think?
I thought, despite what I have been raised to believe, perhaps my homeland is not the happiest place on earth.
Igihugu cyanjye cy'Ubushinwa umubano rwose nejejwe nuko komeje kujya mbere hagati yacu Amerika nta n'ikibazo kirimo. Ibi biryo murimo gukora iwanyu ibiryo byitwa iki? Amerika barasaka ngo nushinzwe gutekera president w'Ubushinwa yewe.
Japanese.
Barakubekisha ngo biri muri protocol. Mu bwato bamwe baje ngo bashinzwe gukoropa dore ngabo ndani mu bwato. Baje nk'abaje bashinzwe gukoropa kumbe hari ibindi byabagenje. Mwamashye umutekano uko yakaryamye yafashe ibinini nimugoroba nibwo aragikanguka gusa kangutse icyumba kiba giciye babagabo. Ni wenyine mu bwato katurori.
The QE2 has been the
temporary home of scores of world leaders and other passengers of distinction in her long, luminous life. But she has never been as honored as she is on this historic voyage.
Abayobozi b'ibihugu babiri bisi babiri baje kwicaramo ntabwo mu bwato bwegeze bugira agatangaza kabobamo kereka uyu munsi kumbe mu bwato dore n'akandi gatangaza kaje tangaza bari mu dutangaza tw'abakuru b'ibihugu babujemo hari ubundi butangaza uyu cyumba cye bakirenze abaje bateye ubwato barenze icyumba cye Shinwa bari hano
Proud to have been asked to host this meeting of minds, and we join, I'm sure, all the nations of the world in wishing it well.
Byishimira byose ndetse turishimira ko amahanga yose ndetse n'isi babera neza kumbe hari abameze nabi bari mu bwato ibigabo birimo biragenda bishimuta buri cyumba.
Mr. President, God save you and your mission.
Madame Perezida nawe nyakubahwa Perezida.
As we never tire of saying hereabouts.
Tumwema rwose kubwo bwato bwanyu mwahaye icyubahiro ndabahaye kazi. Kapiteni w'ubwato. Mwamo, yes ke. Mwamo dore na cyaje kobwa cya Monica kumbuye uko arimo kuvayo. Yatazi kijambere nta muntu n'umwe arimo kubona abantu bose babajyanye imbere yari yiryamiye. N'abarimo hasi bari batwaye ubwato muri za engine nabo. Bwato burimo na za bwato bose ku ruhande.
Now do what we say and no one gets hurt.
People representing China in our kitchens tonight
have prepared something special for us. And so,
abaje bagararira ubushinwa nijoro bari ibyo baduteguriye bitangaje ibiryo byiza cyane turabasaba kubizana kumbe bazanye urukekero byibushye Ezekiel Ruhara yewe n'umwe ushinzwe gusuzuma ibiryo kuko batambukaga Keke inshinwa baje banayiririmbira ni igikipe cy'ibishinu n'akaga kobwa karaza kabiyungaho kamonika Nihan bararirimba mu kiwabo Shimijano ko bakaranje kuzimya maze bakoramo hasi bakozemo hasi ba perezida barakoma amashyi ibyishimo byose batara bafite imbunda ho
Try anything.
gerageza amakosa twabazengurutse
Monica.
What in the name of...
Sit down.
Charahasi. Wa musitari niwe babanje kwicara kivugishwa Monica.
Surrender your weapons. Surrender your weapons or both presidents are dead.
Munda hasi cya perezida wanya.
Do she says.
Mushyire munda hasi mwuka pfamwe ninde wayobora igihugu mpfuye. Nta ndi munyabwenge ubaho nkanjye. Bararambika. Kiraho. Abo bushinwa banze kuzimanura.
把武器放下。
Ntwaro hasi bw'igishinwa. Banga kumva.
武器放下。
Mukore byababwiye uciwanja. Koga gihita gitambuka kuri wa wundi utwaza amadosiye perezida w'Ubushinwa. The briefcase. Briefcase ni kiriya yateruye. Kamureba nabi. Briefcase way.
叫他把杖子给他。
Mubwira the briefcase. Ivarisi irimo za code zituritse ibisasu bya kirimbuzi. Aya! Amikini hari. Kumbe mu bwato ari ubyumvishe nabwo arazi ko ubwato bwatewe yari arimo kuzamuka. Briefcase bajya kwikura cya kindi cyari kirimo kubeshya ngo nicyo gishinzwe gusuzuma ibiryo by'abakuru. Byageze hano abona abaturage bantu ba
You're now relieved of duty, Captain.
Captain bamushimuse, abakuru b'ibihugu babishimuse. Sore yasubiye inyuma yirukanka. Imana imfashe batambona nanjye bakanshima. Kwanda kuza nk'umusirikare. Expect no mercy. Na mbabaza ategereje muri bari abantu. Nanjye kiramo.
This is Captain Young.
Captain Young.
May I have your full attention, please?
I
am no longer captain of this ship.
Under
the command of third parties who are armed and will brook no insubordination. Your safety and that of our passengers.
When the captain who got I'm no longer the captain, Nagachiri captain Narim. Bachira.
QE2, this is Bravo. Are you receiving us?
Ento in Bravo. I'm not going over USS Pork. Gaga to get Pork. Garibu Queen.
As you no doubt been advised, I am now in command of the QE2. And President Shah are now under my command as well. No harm has befallen them, and none will if the following demand is met.
The United States government does not negotiate.
A permanent resolution guaranteeing Taiwan the absolute repudiation of any claim the People's Republic of China may have to her must be introduced and approved by the UN by this time tomorrow, or the ship and everyone on it will be destroyed.
Mukora ibyo tubabwira kuko icyo dushaka no Bushinwa nako dushaka Amerika. Mugakora amakosa ubwato nabo buri mu bose bararimbuka.
Queen, by sea or by air, the bomb will be detonated.
Nibuka neza ko mu bwato turimo ifitemo igisasu.
In 24 hours to see if our demand has been met.
Kiraturika tubaye amasaha 28 hanyuma indi turaza kubyongerera kubibabwira mu nyuma.
Family when she was young, she resettled in Hong Kong.
Yakuba twaje kuvumbura neza ubwato bwa Yanga nibwo bwato baje gushimuta bukaba ari ubwato bwa submarine burimo hasi mu mazi.
China.
So they moved to Hong Kong.
Hong Kong.
My guess. He wasn't real popular in Taipei.
Ubu bwato ndize neza ko butari bwarenga amazi ya Taipei. Taipei ni muri Taiwan. Umurwa mukuru wa Taiwan bawita Taipei.
Was an only child. This is dime store psychology. But let's say that he never recovered from being exiled. That's what the drinking was about. And Monica never recovered from his death.
So this could all be about restoring the father's good name in Taiwan. The daughter's heroism reflected back on the father.
Like I said,
works for me.
Consultant on one of her films. The bomb in the van is a decoy. They never intended to explode it on ship.
Gutwara ubwato bashizemo kiriya kimodoka cyagomba guturika mbese byari nka gatego ntago bari bafite gahunda yo guturitsa buriya bwato ahubwo gahunda yari gufata perezida wa Amerika ndetse na perezida w'Ubushinwa cyane cyane Ubushinwa niyo bashaka kuko afite ibisasu bya kirimbuzi.
Down together.
Baranyabajyane muri Taipei, Taiwan.
Their beef was America's too soft on China.
Ntabwo twakwemera ko barenga amazi bavuye muri Amerika ngo binjire Ubushinwa. Birabitubanye bibi.
Where's Blake now?
None dukora ikinyakubaho. Tegura abakomando mu gihe kitarambiranye kandi.
Entered the Gibbs fracture zone, sir. At present speed, we'll reach the Hecate Seamount rendezvous coordinates well.
Ibyebe bifite submarine mu bwato mu mazi hasi. Hanyuma kandi si submarine ibyebe gusa. Abanyamerika nabo bafite indi submarine bwa bwato burwanira mu nyanja burimo kugenderamo hasi.
Hey, someone's missing.
Miss Cooper's ship security, she'll know where he is.
Harubuza.
Why did you have her take you there?
Madame Cooper waturangira urimo kuburari. Undi vayo. Nikubere kubura aho ari. Miss Cooper. Ni ushinzwe abagenzi bose ba mu bwato.
But even if we give Chang what she wants, she's in the middle of the damn ocean. Where's she gonna go?
To Lijiang. 3 days ago, a Chinese sub disappeared off our satellite screens. What if Blake commandeered it?
Umva iminsi tatisi ari ubwato bw'Abashinwa bwabuze burwanira mu mazi. Bushobora kuba aribwo bufitwe n'ibyebe bishaka gutera Queen Elizabeth. Filime yiswe Attack on the Queen, ubwato bwiswe Queen.
Halo jump.
High altitude, low opening.
Ndakeka werezwe ikipe no nangava y'abakomando barwanira mu mazi nibwo butabazi bwakwihutirwa bwakorwa.
Exact. It's outfitted with special navigational equipment. It can pinpoint the target, and if I time that jump just
20,000 feet, that's almost
4 miles. When I was an Air Force Special Operations Commando, I trained for it.
Nanjye ndamwe mu batorwe muri Air Force nako muri Special Force Commandos.
My brother's on board.
Muramutse munyemereye nakwinjira muri biriya bwato.
And I will make it.
Muvani mwanje nawe ari muri ubwo bwato kandi ndabizi neza ko nabikora. My brother is on board. I can make it. Muvani mwe koko ina waburaga. Nakobwa kari kaza nkiye bedere arimo hano waburaga.
Vince, this is Brittany.
Vincent and Brittany.
To me, Vince, there's a man here in the corridor with me. He has a gun. Hands above your head. We're coming in, Vince. Please cooperate.
Vince.
Hello?
Oh, Joshua, it's Uncle Vince.
Man, am I glad you woke up.
Andrews Air Force Base. Kubirindiro bikuru by'ingabo gitwa Andrews. Andrea. Ngabo z'abanyamerika nta kindi zagomba gukora. Gutabara buriya bwato no guca ikirere. Bamwe mu baje harimo Thomas. Mu bwato harimo mukuru we. Icyo gihe nako kanya nabwo yagomba kugenda wenyine ahubwo yagomba guhura n'abandi bakomando bose bakinjira na buriya bwato bwa Elizabeth. Banza kujya mu ndege yitwa Andrea Andrews. Barimo gushaka ko bashaka nawe babona witwa Vince. Naha ntawuri bambaye neza gusa.
I'm going to search the whole bloody ship. I can't do it in these.
Kobwa! Ntabwo cyari kizi ko kobwa n'umukarataka kazi. Yewe data we hano nkubise ivi wo kapfa. Ntabwo cyari kizi ko tekinike yazijiye muri mesodogene. Mesodogene do kimisagara.
Okay, everyone can hear you now. Go ahead.
This is Kelly Kellogg. My brother-in-law needs to speak to you.
My
Sergeant Vincent Kellogg. I'm on board the QE2.
QE2.
Kellogg, this is Vice President Ridgway. We know the terrorists have taken the ship.
I'm in an upper deck storage room, Vice President Ridgway. Listen, I know that there's a team of SEALs aboard the Polk right behind us. We need a...
kivuga dukeneye kumbe arabaza bamushakisha banza zimyiki radio ki yarahamagaye mu rugo amaze babwira uko bahamagara bari bahamagaye abandi bakomanda banza arapfundikira yes target yes ki meni muramu nyo ndata imana ni igitangaza nyonye kuduhuza USS James K. Polk bwato bw'abanyamerika buri mu mazi hasi nabwo bwari bumaze kumenyeshwa ku bwato bunini bw'uniwo perezida wa Amerika bwashimuswe.
Now have control of the ship.
Ibyebe birimo birakontorera ubwato.
We have an American agent on board.
Murabizi tujya kurahira twarahiye kurinda igihugu cyacu n'abaturage bacu. Bamwe abaturage bafashwe.
The Queen and recapture her.
Twatake Queen ndetse and we capture it. Twataka ubwo bwato bwa Queen twongeye tubwisubize by'amaboko yacu. Barahiriye kurinda abaturage ba Amerika ndetse n'igihugu cyabo kudaterwa. Abaturage ntabwo ari abaturage gusa batewe ahubwo harimo n'umuyobozi w'igihugu watewe. Ibyo byebe barabishaka n'abakomando bari mu mazi. Dusize barimo kwiyemeza ko batera ubu bwato. Harimo n'umwe.
There's a dual pitch control unit.
We know wari wasigaye naka gakobwa mu bwato badafashwe.
To override the engine and halt the ship in case of an emergency.
Tugende tumanuke muri engine hasi muri moteri. Jewe nzandu ushobora kwa twakora ubwato maze bwahita buhagarikwa kugenda cyangwa tukabuhindura aho dushaka akabariho tubwerekeza.
We just have to get to it.
Nyene umutima wawe ukomeye kujya mu mujyana aho tugiye kubikorera.
An unadvertised special.
Uri tayari ndabizi neza ngiye rwose ndi tayari uramutse ngejejeyo gakobwa kashaka ubwaherekeza gusa kakagera muri engine kakangiza ubwato. Hari abandi bakomando hakuno.
Kellogg, I'm Vice President Ridgway.
Hi. Welcome, Mr. Vice President.
Urakazanya kuba Vice President. Muragenzwa n'ikise kandi wanje muri iki gituko.
My call. Brad seemed a heck of a lot.
Ukumvire umugabo yabahamagaye nitwe mwamagaraga nitwe twavuganaga.
Has your brother-in-law recontacted you?
Mwigije cyongera kubavugisha.
The house is secure, Mr.
Nyakuba security imeze sawa nta mwanzo urimo. Turi mukuru kuno bamurinze n'uwungirije perezida wa Amerika. Kana murebye shaho. Ega abandi ba perezida bajya kubacyura bagiye kuba amatungo magufi twe bajya ari ibibajyo. Rero miwe. Kare abandi bazaje babashiriye inkwavu n'ihene. None ko ni biporo burembe. Byebe byashimusa abantu sha mu bwato.
Yeah.
Yego.
Is that with you?
Negative.
Za muri kumwe oya negative. Den.
Chujauta.
Mujye kumushaka. Den ahita gushaka za. Zani wa muri mukanya cya gikorwa cyakubise shanje nuko. Yo kwivi. Yaturitse ingasire nayo mwumvishe se gina yumvishe. Turika ingasire.
The Joint Chiefs are on with us too. Yes, sir. Brittany Cooper, head of ship security, managed to escape. She's with me right now. We have a plan for stopping the ship, sir. We have to make it to the engine room to do it, so we'll be incommunicado from here.
We are going into the engine room. Tujye kujya mu cyumba cya engine motor.
Slow down.
Nabindi turi bukore turakora ibishoboka kubwato bugende buhoro.
Have me to port side upper deck railing.
Oh, wait.
Where is Skip?
Mr. Vice President.
Vice President.
The custodian of China's nuclear codes was murdered by the terrorists.
Uwari ufite za code z'ibisasu bya kirimbuzi by'abashinwa yishwe n'ibyihebe. Ibyebo mu bifite briefcase ya Varis. Mana nyagasani isi bigiye kuyirimbura bidufashe bibanze muri Afrika. No arabakasiriwe benshi cyane kurusha abandi.
Someone's on his way to deal with that bomb on board.
Mukore bishoboka byose natwe tujye kohereza abakomando baza guhangana n'ibyo byebe ku bwato.
On his way how, sir?
He's going to make a parachute jump onto the ship.
Uze kukwigira umuntu w'umugira cyane umunyabwoba cyane ngube washimuka mu gatarangije ibibazo.
Who is it, sir?
Ndabikora cyane nyakobaho.
ATF agent named Kellogg.
Wa ATF ramuzi witwa Kellen Thomas.
If he makes it. Good luck.
God bless.
Amahirwe n'imigisha agiye kuzana abandi bakomando batabara ko yabisabye kandi. Mugabo wanjye kandi oya ni mumuzane. Kiri umuntu acyuye. Kobwa nawe yaguye mu kantu.
I swear that kid's got a death wish. Why does he have to be so stubborn? Why can't he just admit when he's in over his head?
Uriya muswa yagiye yemera ko ari umunyamakosa rimwe na rimwe ntapfa kwishora mu bintu.
Terrorists.
Ubu bwato bwuzuyemo ibyihebe bitunganya njye wabwo muri umuna wawe kwaje nawe kwiyahura nkuko twiyahuye natwe. Kora ibishoboka turenga ibyihebe birahagarikwa. Wumvise ko muri umuna wagiye kuza arababara. Ibyihebe biri mu nzira biraje.
我们2小时内可接通人造卫星。
Satellite twayiyobya mu minota 2 gusa.
I thought you might need some coffee.
Nangeze ko mukeneye agakawanya kwa vice president. Vice president iwabo mu cyumba. Ni ari ku kiradi ari kumwe navugana n'umukomando. Nyakobo jyama impenesi cyangwa inamba. Amatungo magufi n'andi matungo. N'amatungo maremare. Baka. Kije gishakisha mu mugenzi wacu wabuze. Yitwa za. Urushinwa nako n'unya Taiwan. Abanya Taiwan n'abashinwa barasa. N'abanya Vietnam n'abathailandi n'abaguku. Aya! Bamubaza cyarasi Yesu yavuga iki? Kumye mugenzi we sha umuriro. Kumbe mu ndege haruje Thomas. Cutler.
Just keep him around.
The occasional dead man jumping?
Something like that. I'll be honest with you. I wouldn't do what you're doing. Except under orders.
Good. Last thing we need in the service is a bunch of crazy people running around.
So that agent, the one who set up the radio, Kellogg, any relation?
He's my brother.
Bambaje nawe uri mu bwato kwa wahamagaye kuri radio amenyesha ibibazo bihari. Mufitanye isano ndati n'umuvandimwe wanjye.
I don't know if I could do that for my brother.
Kana agatangaza abavandimwe sinarinzi ko giye umuvandimwe namutsare wayigize akoze igitangaza ko nanjye nakwifuza guhangana nawe barasa n'abahanganye umwe arashaka gutabara n'undi ahari arimo aratabara.
Jump instead of one of our guys.
Ibiruta nuko ari byiza cyane mwe muri abasore bazima ba Amerika.
What's his name?
Jack.
Bafite undi babuze witwa Jack nawe yapfiriye mu kazi. Bose n'abakomando umuryango wose n'abakomando. Kumbe dore sheri wa Thomas.
Go.
Genda we.
Roger. 1 minute, I'm counting down.
Munota umwe we kugira ngo ni.
Let's do it.
Bas, jump, simbuka. Ho! bwato bwa Elizabeth. Queen attack on the Queen, kwataka Queen niyo filime turora. Bwato babwe umwamikazi. Raka Mando there. Ibiswa nabyo byagiye gushimuta n'ibyashyira umurinzi hejuru, dore yaturutse hejuru. The President, Vice President.
We read you.
Nakumva baba.
Vince?
No.
Vince, oh yeah.
Thomas.
Ni Thomas.
I made it.
Nagezeyo.
I'm on the Queen.
Nanye ndi kuri muri Queen. Bwa bwato bwa Queen na Thomas agezeyo. Kumbe bwa bwato bwa James K. Nabwo bwato bwa bakomando babwo bagomba ko muri ubu bwato bwa submarine hasi bakinjira muri bwa bwato bwa Queen. President wa Amerika baramushaka ari muzima wa mudamu.
It's only a matter of time.
Akanya gato cyane natwe twageze kuri Queen. Yanga. Bwato bw'ibyibe nabwo bwa Yanga. Aho burimo burapimana n'ubwato bw'abanyamerika bwo mu mazi bw'indwana.
Bearing 085, range 11,000 meters.
Bigabo bitangira gutera imibare y'ubundi bwato bw'intambara bwonye imbere yabyo. Burashaka kubiya torpedo.
Won't be long now, gentlemen.
Mwitegure basore batoye, ni igihe cyo kohereza za torpedo. Bas. Bas. Bas, Vince yaracakiwe na mukobwa. Vince n'umukobwa ngo baciye inyuma. Hazo nindese kandi. Wewe. Baza bogis. Danny way. Yitwa Dan. Bamukopye.
You all right?
Meze sawa. Asi. Tom. Kunyibiswa. Pani mwana ayitayifata. Aja kuje nka duisha. Yesheri. Nari kumwe na muramu wanje. Okay.
Crazy, you know that?
Uri umusazi sibyo?
There's a bomb on board. It's gonna be near the fuel.
Fuel tanks are near the engine room.
Twama twese twatwerekeye mu cyumba cya engine. We have to go to the engine room. Icyumba cya moteri nicyo berekeyemo. Kobwa ni uhazi neza n'ubajya imbere. Engine room.
Pitch levers are over there. The fuel
mukuru wamubwiye ko ari umusazi. Kubera ukuntu yari yifashe gusa. Katurori.
密码一直接不通。
为什么？
Ntabwo kode ndazimenya kubera iki?
可能是天点干着。
Menya hano hari ikibazo cyabaye cy'ibirere. Uri seriye mu byo umbwira cyangwa? Kode z'ibisasu ntabwo barazivumbura neza barajya ngo na perezida w'Ubushinwa bafashe. Za kode bazigereho. Chinese president.
I've taken bridge control and given it to us. You take the portside propeller shaft. We turn the wheel together until the dial reaches 0. That'll stop the ship.
Turahindura naho ngaho urakuhindura nanjye mpindura mpaka umuvuduko wawe ugiye muri 0. Nibwo turere tugabanyije umuvuduko. Barahindura. Umuvuduko ni kugenda ugabanyuka nugera muri 0 baraza kuba bamenye neza ku bwato watumye bugenda buhoro. Hari ikindi cyato cyabusatiraga cya submarine kibyihebe kuva hasi. Hari n'indi submarine y'abanyamerika nayo iri hasi. Thomas we ntabwo aruhutse arashaka kureba ko hano nta mwanzi wabinjiriyemo. Katerori.
In case things
I just wanted you to know how much I've enjoyed these past few days.
Your
great hall puts our Capitol building to shame.
Conceit yourself as my guest.
This is how the world works, isn't it? The powerful whispering secretly deciding the fate of everyone else. You don't know what you're talking about. Excuse me. Would you like to die in her place?
I will if I have to.
Your brave man, special agent. That man's willing to sacrifice his life for you and you, Madam President. Did you think for him?
Yeah. Go ahead. Kobwa gifite imbunda nabindi cyagupfunyikira atari biriya cyikoreye. Behasara barimo kugenda bahagarika ubwato. Cyashize makabaraga. Kujya tugenda buhoro. Yatangira kubaza ngo impamvu ubwato butangiye kugenda buhoro. Bacoye we na mimi ndaje. Jya ku ruhande bamusenze. Sebo nongori bamusega pembeni.
Sierra 11 appears to be losing forward speed, sir. New rev count indicates 2-3 knots and rapidly falling.
Put the seals on ready alert.
Sir.
Stopping too soon. Before we reach rendezvous.
Underwater contact, sir. Bearing 133, just off the...
Gato ko bugenze buhoro tuzatwagera kuri rendezvous. Rendezvous nahantu bavuganiye kuguhugura rendezvous point.
To rescue the presidents.
Ndakeka ari abanyamerika barimo gushaka gutabara president wabo.
340.
Ganeza kumba abagabo bari bamaze kwatakwa n'indi submarine.
Sierra 17. Possible hostile submarine.
It's Blake.
Possible assault on submarine. Submarine yacu yatewe. Kuri bishoboka we. Mugabashyiraho alert abasore bose bari mu bwato bamenye ko batewe. Nacha submarine cy'abashinwa. Cyarahindu cyakirimo kubapima neza. Byohereza ibisasu byitwa torpedo. Ibisasu biturikira mu mazi kigaturika ku kacyumba.
Take us under the Queen.
Sir. Tumanure munsi ya Queen we. Take us under the Queen. Bwato bunini bwa perezida w'abanyamerika arimo bwa Queen. Abo bwato bari bamaze kugabanya umuvuduko. Ibigo birangije maze ubwato bwabyo bimanura munsi y'ubwato bwa burimo aba perezida bwa Queen ngubwo ko bwagagaza submarine ijya munsi yabwo kwisha.
Why did you stop the ship?
Kuki wahagaritse ubwato?
I didn't.
Ntabwo nigeze mbuhagarika. I didn't.
Then why have we stopped?
Kuki noneho duhagaze?
Perhaps someone applied the pitch levers.
Are you telling me someone else is controlling this ship?
Hamenya hari ubikoze. Hari undi muri ubwato siri muri control cyangwa. Ndamukabaza kumbe muri control ntabwo ari umwe urimo bwudore babaye batatu. Kiracyo ni cya gatatu cyinjiye mu bintu. Thomas. USS James K. Bwato bw'abanyamerika bwari mu mazi bwa submarine bwo mu nyanja. Ubwo bwo mazi bugenderamo hasi. Bakomando biteguye kuzamuka muri Queen bakareka ko batabara perezida wabo na perezida w'Ubushinwa. Commandos dore ukuntu bambara.
And headed on course for a direct intercept with the Queen.
He's going under her.
Cyatse twashakaga direct kirimo kirasatira Queen. Yanga. Ku cyagasatiriye bwato bwa Queen. Cyabuciye munsi maze kijya kwisha inyuma yabwo. Ku buryo ubwo abanyamerika bushatse kuburasa bwa pima Queen aho gupima kiri.
And how can we risk surfacing to release the seals, sir?
We're not gonna... I intend to approach the QE2, and then while still submerged, release our team through the aft access trunk's pressure chamber.
Kora ibishoboka abasore mutangire muzenguruke mushakisha buriya bwato bugiye kutwisha inyuma y'ubundi. Thomas yinjiye mu bintu. Nuwa ATF. Come inyuma we. Tom. Namukuru Vince.
I haven't figured out how this is activated yet.
Ndimo ndashaka kureba ko nategura iki gisasu.
One bomb's not enough to take down the ship, but it sure as hell's gonna take you down. Let's go, Thomas.
90 feet. 89. 88.
88. Listen quietly, gentlemen. Is Commander Layton ready? They're all 5 feet and counting, Commander. You have my permission to enter the trunk and access the pressure chamber.
Thanks for the hospitality, Captain. Request permission to open the access hatch and enter chamber. Come up, ladies. It's time to...
Thomas, the terrorists are probably on their way down here right now.
And stop wasting time talking to me. Go.
No.
Twigendere. Napfa nacyo buri ikibi no gupfusha inkoko nta mishwi iriho. Umuntu aguhitotoro, umushwi ba wita itotoro.
Talking about. It was an accident, Thomas. It wasn't his fault.
Jack gupfa ko yari accident nabwo wari wabiteye.
I knew Jack and I know you.
Ndamuzi Jack ndetse nawe ndakuzi. Jack gupfa ko
like you're God or something and you're not.
Wararangaye gusa ariko ntabwo wabishakaga.
Some things are out of your control, Thomas. Jack dying is one of them.
Thomas bisa nabyo yakunze muri control. Jack yarapfuye birumvikana.
Do it.
Ugende.
You let me do mine.
Hanyuma mukora akazi kanyu nanjye ndakora kanje.
Let's go.
Wina tugende wowe. Hene wanje sena turika wenyine aho kugira imirambo ibiri umuntu yagira umwe.
Sir, I'm reading high levels of carbon dioxide in the upper trunk. Recommend that we take a couple minutes and vent the area before
Minota mike cyane abasore bari kuva muri submarine ya Folk y'abanyamerika bagomba kuba bageze hejuru nibo babo kugera hejuru nta kindi bashakaga.
Green light on the access trunk hatch display.
Kwerekera muri bwa bwato bwafashwe n'ibyihebe.
Access trunk hatch. Prepare to equalize.
Access trunk is now sealed.
Open the seawater valves. Let's get them wet.
Fungure hejuru abasore basohoke bajya mu bundi bwato bagomba kujyamo.
Increasing air pressure and separation from all access hatch release.
把密码接通。Where are these dual pitch levers?
All seals are away.
Dive the boat. Make your new depth 500 feet.
Dive the boat, aye, sir.
Gato baronge bamanura hasi abagabo. Dive the boat. Mwongere mumanure hasi.
Course of 180. Okay, gentlemen, let's go hunting.
Basore bato mwitegure nicyo gihe cyo kujya guhiga. Abavuye mu gato barazamutse, bavuye muri submarine. Bazamuka kuri bwa bundi bwitwa Queen. Abandi nabo basigaye muri submarine nta kindi bakoze. Bagiye guhiga cyato cyagiye kwisha inyuma y'ubu bwitwa Queen. Niba bayigezeho bagombaga kuzamuka commandos. Aba Navy Seals. Vince yabonye abandi bakomando bamwunganira nicyo gihe cyo gutera ibyihebe.
Presidents are down below.
Nicyo gihe perezida agenda barangira wari. Uze mbereka ibyihebe ko bikabayeho ahubwo. Kabibayeho nako. Bikabayeho. Ako narutegurura. Bamubwiye ngo nahave aho kujya ataho kujya uduturike twese. Mureke nurike jyenyine. Yeah.
Drop your weapon!
Unda has.
Kill him! You know I...
Punga mano. Laka! Baya! Udamu bararushe. Kwikangamo. Rukaruka kutari munda. Etu! Gwari rukanza.
You take care of the crew. I'll go after her.
Uone umuntu wa mbere batabaye. We ngwino wa muginga. Umuntu wa mbere batabaye mu dore kidamu we. Tekeza kurongora umugore umeze kuri ya karongorwa n'umugabo utemeze kuri urimo gutegura igisasu. Umwana bazabyara ni Bin Laden. Bazabyara urwana rumeze nk'ikihebe. Raka. Bazabyara umubini. Dama teyundi. La fille solo la fille. Kobwa. Ujari we. Escape. Escape ari we. Kurginyo. Escape! 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 Dama ku kindi buriya wabona birumanye. Shaho ibigore birarumana shaho. Yaba yarwanye. Ndakurira ibere. Escape! Escape! Umutwe! Badamu bari hano. Gomi! Aba ntabwo ari babandi batera zahiri. Kandi icyo bakora barakizi yaramanutsa buragato. Kuzuru. Badamu kuwundi. Yes! Get away! Yes! Sunikayo! Yewe data we yapfuye shaho yigonze shaho. Ubuzima si ikintu. Kapfuye gakanzu urusasu. Narwo rurimo ndapfuye tu. Pfuye gafunguye urusasu. Uye ikisasu ni Bindu gitaguruye sha mugende we kijya guturika. Perezida bikangamo. Ese bununguri numwe mbyebe bito byaje on board. Mawecha muze dusubira inyuma mawecha. Sasu bagiteguruye. Batangira gucika ngo kitabaturitse kumbe ku gisasu arimo gutegura witwa Tom. Sasu bagifunguye gitangiye kubara nibyandi byitwa time bombs. Umunota umwe masegonda 37. Bandos! Go! Come on, people! Abandi baturage barongera bagiye budata wizingabo ziragahora we ni mpuzamahanga kabisa. Nizo kwa banki Moon. Kiyo aba bakomando batangiye kubigeramo. Ndapfuye tu. Mando babigezemo Navy Seals barwanira mu mazi. President
Wu, all you follow us please.
Yakuba President Lu nawe nyakuba President Amerika turabinyuze mu dukurikire abakomando b'abanyamerika bari bongeye bahageze. Hakuna ruhanganye n'urusasa. Rurafungutse. Kumbe rubaze cyane.
My firing solution.
I'm just getting it now, sir. Torpedoes ready for firing.
Meze nyakuba twiteguye kuba twarasuza torpedo. Muzohereze.
Open and flooded.
Fire one.
Fire one, mwohereze cyambere.
Fire two.
Fire two, murasi cya kabiri za torpedo by'abisasu byo mu mazi. Bwato bwariye Yanga. Bwarashe ubwato bw'abanyamerika turarashwe za torpedo ndimo ndazibona ziza mu cyoga juru over.
Rudder, all ahead flank.
Mukwepe mumanuka hasi tureye ko zapima ku ruhande over. Aba barakwepye cya cyato cyapo cya submarine. Torpedo zigenda buhora ariko my friend awuze kubisubita ubona kuko habaye ingaruka. Torpedo gibyo byabuze uburinganire maze bya torpedo birahigana. Nimije za moteri. Torpedo zikurikira moteri y'ubwato bwo mu mazi hasi. Submarine. Torpedo.
Torpedoes are at 2,500 yards and closing, sir.
Ubwato zaje zirimo gushaka.
Is answering a flank.
Muzimye moteri atagira ikintu cy'ubwato cyongera guhinda. Torpedo tureko zayoba.
24.
Iso.
25.
Yena gatanu.
Gating. Range is down to 1660 yards and continuing to close.
26 knots.
Yena gatandatu ziraje we.
Torpedoes are 1,000 yards in closing.
27.
Nakarinu.
Shift rudder far port.
Bwatarangije yarongera bwongeza zayobye.
Range is 400 yards and closing.
Ongera nasinya kandi bwakase.
Torpedoes appear to be turning, sir. Going after the...
Torpedoes zirasa naho zigiye guhuranya ko ariko hafi cyane yacu. Zarihaye ubwazo torpedo ko ari ebyiri zaragonganye.
Get me a firm lock on that shooter.
Aye, aye, sir.
Muhindura ubwato none natwe badupimye turimo turababona tureke ko hari icyo twabamarira. Bahindura ubwato bwabo. Uyu rusasu rwaramunaniye maze apfa gukurira ibitsinga ariko se ibi ni iki? Ruracyabara kandi cyane. Kizimyamwoto yari yizanye urusasu rwamunaniye gutegurura. Se cyazi menyemo kizimyamwoto nyinshi.
Fire one.
Yamo barafu. Fire 1. Fire 2. Murasa torpedo ya kabiri. Dutegereze tureke Imana ibaduhera. Dushize akacu twebwe. Kuno bari batabaye ba perezida bombi. Giteyemo barafi gisashi kiramutse giceceka. Torpedo.
Son of a bitch.
Umuswa. The son of a bitch. Babaha.
It's Thomas.
The bomb.
Ntabwo ari ubwacu buturitse. Mana Thomas ari.
What was that?
Chaniki we.
Bomb in the fuel room.
Nyakwa perezida. Ni umutingito wateye mu mazi. Baza kumubwira ikiriho. Thomas kumbe yaravuyeyo. Sasa yari yaruhagaritse. Ibyishimo ageze hakuno kubita n'umuvandimwe we. Bahoraga bapingana muri inco barishimye. Nta n'umupfuye. Ariko umuvandimwe ntabwo yari amuriho cyane yireberaga hirya. Aye. Nari mbize ko tageta ari jewe. Ncyakubwira.
This is President Shaw. I have a message for Joshua Kellogg.
He's President Shaw, ndashaka mfite ubutumwa Joshua Kellogg.
Vince will be home this weekend.
Mwana mutoya ntugire ikibazo Perezida Amerika naza kuba ndi iwanyu muri iki weekend.
Okay, Eleanor, we're safe, Chet.
Mumeze neza nyakubawa.
President Wu, the Queen, and everyone on it.
Perezida w'Ubushinwa Wu ndetse na buri wese uri mu bwato n'ubwato bwabo nta n'umwe wagize ikibazo. Ibyishimo bwari bwose ubwato bwo mu nyanja nini ya Mediterane na Atlantique ndetse n'inyanja y'Ubuhinde nimwe bwagendaga. Vanimwe batangiye kuganiramo nicyo gihe nako kanya mu gihe kitari cyakure bagomba kuba bari mu rugo.
I think he would have liked this ship.
Yeah, I think he would have.
Did you mean what you said down there about Jack?
Umva ibyo wambwiraga cyane uvuga unyibutsa ngo ibya Jack byabaye wafusobanuraga ibyo uvuga. Umva ntabwo ngugaya. Ntabwo yigeze wifuza kuba watuma apfa.
Shouldn't have the rope slip. There's nothing you could have done about that.
Ntacyo wari kubikoraho ibyabaye.
How come I blame me?
Kuki utigeze wimbwira se?
Well, maybe because you never talk about it with anybody. You just keep it all inside, you know.
Kuko nta muntu mwigeze mubivuga nawe wagenda gusa nawe ibintu byose byigiye bigira nkaho bikureba wenyine.
Fair enough. But just so that we're clear on this, the reason why I get so mad at you when you put your life in danger is because I already lost one brother, and I don't want to lose another one.
Mpamvu nakomeza kuba natuma utajya mu bintu byinshi nuko nabuze umuvandimwe wa mbere sinshaka guhomba undi.
Look what I found.
Reba ibyo nabonye aka kadari ni akakera ni wagatanze bwa mbere. Yarongera akamusubiza bose bavandimwe bari bagafite.
You gotta go the distance. Yeah. I bet you Joshua would like this, huh?
Yeah. Gentlemen, the captain has requested the honor of your presence at his breakfast here.
Oh, breakfast.
Kwa mu gitondo ndakeka nicyo gihe nako kanya. Bari babukeneyemo. Vince yasize mugenzi umuvandimwe we. Namusigana na wa mukobwa umwishimira nawe yishimira. Ndangije yifatira inzira ibyishimo byari byose.
I could be wrong, but
ni gahunda ki?
A lot more than just lunch at the White House.
Ndakeka mu gihe kitari cyakuretse abatwese twatumiye muri White House. Perezida yaraza bakoze ni bandi.
A perfectly good one-night stand.
Uratekereza nituva turajya he? Simbize gusa cyakubwira. Icyambwira iki se cyakubwira? Numvaga icyamubwira. Gafilme nuko kagenze kitwaga Attack on the Queen. Yari yanga kuva mu The Video Library. Turabakunda cyane cyane. Nuko kagenze kuri cyane wicikwe. Turacyakomeza mpaka tukiri kumwe. Yeah. Attack on the Queen.